What is up, guys? Today, Grandma and just Grandma is playing Garten of Banban. So let's get right into the video. Hey, Grandma. Today you're going to be playing this game called Garten of Banban. And this isn't a two-player game, so you're going to have to play by yourself.
Oh, okay. There's this.
So, I think I know. Oh, never mind. You can start your game.
Oh, this is scary.
Okay, so it's like a room with computers. For a parent looking for the missing child, time is a delicate matter. Click the clock to advance time.
Can you hear that? Hold on. That is the scariest thing.
It's just, this is a daycare.
Why is it so
It's just
dark?
kids. I don't know.
Nothing sussy.
I don't think anything changed.
What's that?
Again, I don't think anything
No,
changed.
look, there wasn't boards here last time.
Oh, I wasn't looking over there. Ah!
Boards gone.
And there's
Buff.
Nab. That's Nab.
Buff man.
Wait, no, that's not Nab. That's Captain Fiddles. I'm smart with my characters. Go again. Ah, he's
There's
bloody.
blood.
He's bloody.
Oh no.
Okay.
Oh, now it's
and
all
now
dark.
he's gone.
Yay.
Well, that was great. Not scary at all.
Hello. Oh.
Hold WASD
Yeah.
for arrows or arrows for movement.
Somebody taught me how to do this. Eat vegetables.
And fruits to become strong like me.
And then what's over here?
Oh, stinger foot. Having many arms allows me to help a lot more people.
Vending machine. Give me something.
The sprint and shift. There's nothing in there. It's all sold out. But I don't think we really need this room.
Meow. Keycard.
Oh, blue key card. Nice.
That's mine.
Okay, over there. Let's make sure there's nothing else in this room that you need.
Boots. Oh, this is where you put your shoes and stuff.
Yep. Okay, let's go. Oh, a drone!
Oh! What do we name him?
Pick up the controller.
Oh, what do we name him?
Jerry.
Jerry. Okay. We name him after my dog?
Yeah, Timothy. Dear Mommy, I am hiding in a room, but I have to fight the monster. It is the only chance to make Claire like me. Sad face. That looks like a bird. I think that might be a pillow bird.
So there's Claire, and she wait. Are they are you telling me he or she is fighting a monster to impress someone?
That's so stupid.
How do I get out of this? Okay.
Pick up the drone. Oh, no, press the button, I think.
Press button.
It's E, I think.
Not doing anything.
Maybe
there's something else I need.
Battery! Yeah, you need batteries.
1 battery.
I think you need 2.
2 battery.
Maybe you need more.
The jumping is kind of goofy.
Yeah,
okay, all the characters. Jumbo Josh, he's my favorite.
How do you know these characters, Grandma?
I don't know, because he's right there. Look, Jumbo Josh.
Oh, yeah.
Who's this? Who's this?
That's Banbalina. That's obviously Banban, the main character. That's a Pillowbird who I was talking about earlier, Captain Fiddles, and Stinger Flynn.
Wait, teleport toward the nearest room. What did I do? Timothy!
Yeah. Oh, I think controls... Oh, wait.
Hit button.
Try and hit those red buttons. Maybe that does
Go,
something.
Timothy! Ooh. Oh, I missed. Oh, I'm so bad.
Hit it again. Boom.
Ready?
Ka-chow.
Let's go! Oh.
Ka-chow.
Yo, let's go. Nope.
That's a pillow.
Nope.
Grandma, go back.
I don't wanna.
It's not gonna chase you, I don't think.
Attack! Jerry, where are you?
It's Timothy.
Jerry, attack!
I don't think you can...
Attack! Go! Get him!
Grandma, let's focus.
Really?
There it goes.
No. I don't like that. Hello? Oh my. No. This is...
You need to do stuff in there.
Sharing is caring. Your pancreas is mine! What?
Why does he want your pancreas? The toy
I
cannot be
like my
directly
piggeries
commanded
where it
to
is.
breakable materials such as yellow glass. So you can't.
Cannot be commanded to break them such as yellow glass. So how do I break it?
You need a yellow key card, I think.
What if I like? Oh wait, I gotta teleport to the nearest room. Gary?
I think it's R.
No, it said right mouse. What happened to that chair?
What the goofy?
Goofy chairs! Meow! I'm wrecking this place. There's
Hey,
monsters
great
here.
grandma, focus.
I don't want to focus.
Hey, get your drone.
Jerry. Hi, Jerry.
His name's Timothy.
Timothy, sorry. You said Jerry and I was confused. I can't point him right there, but can I point him right there?
Yeah.
Can you break the glass?
And then put him in the. No, he doesn't break the glass. Oh, yeah, he does.
Yeah, he does. Boom.
Wait, no, you need to make him hit the button.
The button doesn't look like it's on.
Oh, yeah.
Go that
But
way.
you didn't hit it against the button.
Oh, this game. Hit it. Naughty corner.
Yeah, it doesn't work.
It doesn't work. Okay.
Okay, let's see what you have to do in that room that you lit up. That the Opalbird
You
went
just
into.
did a barrel roll. Yo, bam! I'm playing soccer. Oh no, I
That's
hate
a fake
this.
one. Opalbird
Fake!
mission. Opalbird is unbelievably hungry. Feed it 6 eggs to get your prize.
What just happened? I heard a sound. Find eggs to feed a bird. I see one. Thingy. Thingy. I got one. Button! What's that do? I go down the slide? No, I guess not.
I wonder what that button did.
Is there any in this slide?
Try going down the slide again.
What's under here? Is there anything under here?
Wait, there's a button.
There is? Where?
Right there.
Oh! Gary, come here. Very nice. Go hit that button. Hit it. Jerry! Here we go. Go! Fire! What happened? What's that?
That's the key card that you hit. Wait, there's an egg that rolled down the
Oh!
slide.
That's two. No, I have three. Four. No, wait. Four. Is there any who want to go sailing? Five.
Where is it? Maybe the swings?
No, I'm gonna put these down. Oh,
What
you
the
just
heck?
shove them down there.
You slide down his throat.
I need one more. Where could it be? Wish I could see. Where?
Oh, it's right there under the log.
Oh, sorry, Jerry.
Timothy.
We named him Jerry before. I got confused. Give me the freaking. It won't let me get the egg. Am I not allowed to? Oh, there we go.
Finally. Why
Look,
is it
I
so
only
hard to
just
grab
figured
it?
out what WASD is and E is. Shove it down there. Oh.
What is coming out of his
I'm gonna
throat?
look at it's a key card.
Oh, yellow key card.
Do I go back here? I saw a yellow
Yeah,
key
there's a
card.
yellow key card right there. Oh, I think that turns on the button.
Oh, it does?
Yeah, because it's right next to the button. See? I told you. I'm smart.
Ready?
Attack!
There we go. Go, Timothy.
Ka-chow!
Oh! I'm playing the computer. I look like Flappy Bird.
Well, Hammer, I think now you can go break those boards. Distraction at 1.
Wait, what about that clock? That clock, maybe the distraction.
Yeah, I don't think so. I don't think that means
We were
anything.
advancing time. Oh, it's this. Oh. Captain Fiddle says,
Ooga
ooga
booga
booga.
booga ooga. Yeah, Melina's wait. Kindness is free, so sprinkle it everywhere.
Oh, that's cool.
Why? Maybe. Oh, there's boards. Maybe you can break that with a hammer.
Smack! Smack! Bam.
There's fall. Oh, yeah, just jump.
I do not like this. Yeah, I know.
Oh wait, look at what a pillow bird says. Laughing is the best medicine, so make sure to smile. Oh wait, yellow key card. Over there!
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, the thing comes down.
No, jump on there.
Oh, this is goofy. Oh, let's go. There's footprints. There's footprints right there. Who walked up the wall?
Um,
What's going on? I'm pooping
hello.
my pants. This is scary.
You can jump out. What was my color?
You
Okay,
were
Bambolino
red.
is white.
Oh wait, I accidentally put. Oh no.
You can press it again.
No, I'm gonna do Bamboozling. I'm gonna do him last.
It's Ban. Yeah, she
I'm
was
gonna
white.
teleport Droney over here.
Rainbow Josh was green. A pearl bird was pink. He was gray, I think.
Gray or like blue, maybe? Oh yeah, blue, 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 blue.
And he was orange.
No one is yellow. Now I gotta do him.
And white and red. Oh, orange key card.
Ah! There's a piggy!
It's a pillow
It's
bird.
an pillow bird! What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do?
Uh,
I. Ah!
what the heck?
Yep, oh, pillow bird! Oh, pillow bird! H. What the heck?
I think I might know what you have to do. I think you have to get on the other. I think you have to get on the other thing before it goes away. Okay, go.
Oh, there's no time.
Try and get that note before.
I'm just gonna. No, I ain't reading that. The pillow bird. I'm gonna stay back.
If it gets off the cart.
Please, 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 please. What do I do?
Try and hit the button.
I can't hit the button. It's not on.
Just keep on your pillow bird.
Go, 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 go. Please, 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 please. Hit the freaking button. Why aren't you hitting the button? Timothy! Timothy, no. Timothy, no. Timothy,
Just keep
no.
on your pillow bird.
Go.
Jump. Go.
Ah! Oh, come on.
No.
There was an emergency. Stop. I wasn't quick enough.
Okay, now you know what to do.
This is hard. I'm pooping. This
Now you know what to do.
doo-doo game.
Okay, so now you just gotta be quicker with it.
Go, I've gotta be quick with it. What's this note say? I want to play with the whole bird, but everyone left me. I have a party without me. Miss Mason see me but go. I am scared because Hole is loud and my friends scream. Oh, come on!
We're too close to the end.
Oh, Pila Bird, I just wanted to read the note.
Okay, well, now you know what it was, so we don't have to read it.
Sad face. I am sad. Thanks for noticing.
Do not be close to the edge.
No friends scream in it, but Bird is funny. Yeah, you are funny. Funny, stupid. I don't like you. Okay, Drone. Timothy, this time you actually hit the button.
Make sure to aim it completely at the button. Alright, don't even look it up over it. As soon as it's... Just hit it. Like, go. And now look at a pillow bird and make sure. No!
I hate you, drone.
Stupid Timothy.
Hit the button. Go.
Go. Sprint.
I'm pressing. Oh my god.
Did you turn on caps lock?
I turned on caps lock. I turned on caps lock.
Stupid caps lock.
I accidentally turned on caps lock.
Stupid caps lock killed you. And make sure to press shift instead of caps lock this time.
You only just taught me how to use a keyboard and mouse. I was using a controller while playing all our other games, which you should go check out. Yeah, I'm good at this YouTube thing. I'm not going to promote my other videos.
Yeah. Grandma is the star of this channel.
Yay.
Right. Timothy, you better do your job this time or else I'm firing you and getting a new drone.
It's
red,
button.
That means it's not going to do it.
I hate you, Timothy.
I'm firing you, Timothy.
Okay, shift. Shift this time.
Go. Emergency.
Woo!
Yeah!
Let's go!
We killed a
Suck
pillow
it, bird! You're so bad! Wait, it can rock up walls. It's like, no.
Get out of there.
Go. Now, what key card did we get? It was an orange?
Orange. Yeah, right there. Wait,
It's
Grandma, let me teach you something. So, what you're doing is this. Do this. Put your fingers like that. Then use that to sprint.
Okay.
That's how the pros do it. And by pros, I mean me.
You ain't no pro.
I can call myself a pro if I want. Alright, what's in here? A little hideaway area.
Is there anything on the desk? What's the chair? Ooh!
Orange key card.
Secret key card thing.
I think that turns on the button.
Oh,
Yep.
yeah.
Timothy! I'm smart.
Go!
The button! You better do your job this time. If it's green, I think that means it's gonna hit it. Yahoo!
Button.
What does that do? Oh! Secret elevator much?
Timothy, go down there. Timothy, go. Do you not
I think you're supposed
listen to me?
Go down there.
It won't let me. It's a visible barrier.
Wait, I think there's an elevator coming up.
No!
Boarding pass. Uthman Adam. Montreal MTL. Madrid MDD.
It's going to Madrid.
Class E seat D2. Alright, let's go now.
There's a QR code.
Get rid of it. I hear someone.
Oh,
an elevator. Hi, orange key card.
there's a dark abyss down there. Bye, Timothy. Timothy, come with me.
Bring Timothy with you.
Timothy, come with me. Timothy!
I don't think Timothy can come with you.
No!
Into the dark abyss.
Timothy! Goodbye, Timothy. What?
What
is that sound?
Goofy?
No! Oh my god, there's a giant hand!
No, what is that?
He's gonna...
No!
It's Jumbo Josh!
Why is his hand all bloody?
Jump off the thingy!
No!
We're going down! Crash landing!
What happened?
We crashed. Somewhere. Jumbo Josh, I hate you. You messed up our entire thing. Where did you even come from? We did it!
Wait, what? We finished. Oh, that was like surprisingly pretty easy.
Nice.
Well, guys, if you wanna see Grandma play Garten of Banban 2, then get this video to 50 likes, and we will buy Garten of Banban 2 for Grandma to play it. Grandma, say bye to the channel.
We're still gonna do it.
Yeah, we're still gonna do it anyway, but still,
Please.
we would love it if you would get this video to 50 likes.
Like, We need more video ideas. Bye.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you next time. Bye.